Hello, what's up guys? So today in this video I'm going to show you that how you can do video editing easily. I know lots of people that don't know how to edit video, and I was also one of them in past. Whenever I hear the video editing, it was like rocket science. But to be sure, it's nothing. It's not a big deal. You can just edit your own video after watching this within few hours. So without wasting time, let's go in our computer screen. Right, open the video editing software, whatever you have. I have made a specific video how to make free video from free video editing software. So you can watch video after this video. I am going to edit this video in Filmora. The principles of video editing is similar most of all video editing software, and 90% work. If you watch here, you can edit the same in other video editing software too. So if you can't purchase the Filmora, actually it's paid version. You can watch other type of YouTube tutorials, how to, what I mean to say, you can understand how to get free Filmora, you can watch, and from that you can get it. If you have recorded from iPhone some type of specific video clips or audio file, you can import from iPhone to Windows computer. I have made video, you can watch, which is a link in description. Right, so first open the Filmora or whatever the software you have, then go to file, then import the video or any type of file which you want to make, like audio, recorded, voice, Here is lots of files. Similarly, you can import audio file too. Just do drag and drop of the file which you want to put in video. To remove unwanted background noises from the sound, whenever you click the video, there is background noises recorded. And if you want to delete that, go to the video and right click on it and find the option detach audio and delete it. From this you can get rid of background noises which is unnecessary. So to cut the excess part of video which is unnecessary, just click on the video clip and just drag a little bit here and put the cursor or line from where you want to cut, and find the scissor icon or cut icon and cut it, delete it, then just attach the video. From this you can cut the unwanted part of the video. So we need to write something video like titles or subtitle, So to write it, click on title. As you can see, here is lots of title. You can choose any one, fonts here. You can just rename it and type, for example, I'm putting here Froze Vlogs. So to customize it, click on advanced, go to color. You can choose any type of color which you want, and choose the type of transactions too. You can put any type of font and any type of color, bold, italic, or other type of cursive writing you can choose. You can also put subtitles here. you can put different type of effect on video. You can choose from here. Right here is few samples of different effect of video. You can add different type of emoji and sticker. Go to element and put it as sound. You can enlarge and put any directions. You can put a different type of transaction in video. Right click on video, go to motion, then click on it. You can also do the video stabilization. If the video is quite shaky, double right click on the video, then go to stabilization. It will take couple of minutes to stabilize. After it, you can increase or decrease it, or you can do reset if you don't want. You can also increase the speed or do slow motion. Right here is one clip and I want to do the slow-mo of it, so go to the sign up speed. You can enlarge the size of video too. In this way you can apply your tricks and get the best video ever. So if you want to blur something that goes in the background and unwanted thing happen, go to utility, then choose mosaic, and wherever you want, either version or other type of thing, you can just blur. You can adjust the blur and can even cut or put frame by frame per second. So if you want to put a subscribe button, you need to download a green screen of subscribe button from YouTube. After opening the green screen file, cut the excess part, double click on the green screen, click on chroma key. Right, you need to choose the offset and adjust the labels, tolerance level. You can also customize the audio. You can cut the excess part to in similar way. Now if the video has unwanted sounds or excess part, or is the way which you don't want to put, you can just enlarge the audio file and you can listen and cut it by step. You can also remove the background noises. You can do fade out of the audio to give the beautiful slow sound ending. So finally, I think it's time to export the video, right? So how to export the video after making? Make sure that there is no excess video that which you have made. If there is an excess part or clip in the video, then delete it, otherwise the video will get long. So only put the video which you really wanted, make it attached together. Right, click on the export, put the name and choose the format. You can choose any type of format which you want, but always put the best default. Don't do in default setting. Go to setting and make it to the best. Click on export. Right, so it will take rendering as per your video. If your video is really long, then it take time to rendering. If your video is short, it just take at least 5 or 10 minutes as per your computer. So in next video I'll show how to do color grading and other important tutorial. So if you like this video, subscribe this channel, hit the like button, and thanks for watching. See you in next video.